I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the top 10 best options every time. Let's talk about EveryPlate. EveryPlate is one of the most popular meal kit delivery services on the market. And it's not just the Sloppy Joe's recipe propelling them forward. EveryPlate is possibly the most affordable meal delivery service on the market, clocking in at less than $5 a plate. When you start adding in their flexible, commitment-free subscriptions, easy meal prep, and environmentally friendly packaging, then EveryPlate really rocks our world. EveryPlate has 16 meals that are changed up every week. You can order 3, 4, or 5 meals for 2 or 4 people each week. What's also nice is that the pricing is low no matter how many meals you order. Menus include a variety of flavors and international cuisines. Despite having rock-bottom pricing, EveryPlate actually delivers high-quality ingredients, and all meal supplies are packaged to maintain freshness. EveryPlate is not an organic meal delivery service, but it does have responsibly sourced ingredients from suppliers who they get to know on a personal level and maintain the high-quality standards. EveryPlate doesn't do much in the way of catering to dietary needs or tailoring its recipes to better suit your preferences. The company provides allergen data on each recipe page, and allergy warnings are printed on the recipe cards. Other than that, there's not much niche catering going on here. EveryPlate has plenty of flexibility when it comes to placing orders. You can edit your box to switch out meals if you change your mind, skip weeks whenever you want, and cancel any order at any time. There are no commitments, and you can switch your plan whenever you want. EveryPlate delivers to most of the contiguous United States. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to punch in your zip code before they actually tell you whether or not EveryPlate will deliver to your hood. Bummer. Shipping is a flat rate. Deliveries are Tuesday through Saturday, and you can switch days. EveryPlate includes all the ingredients you need for your meals, sans some basics like salt and pepper. You also get recipe cards with step-by-step instructions for throwing your meal together. EveryPlate is good about packaging, so the ingredients stay fresh throughout the delivery process. Definitely have to hand it to EveryPlate for its low pricing structure. Not too many meal kit delivery services can provide you with a hearty dinner for the same price as a venti mocha frappuccino from Starbucks. Fans of the plate also love the home-style menu and the good portions. EveryPlate meals take about 30 minutes to prepare from start to finish. Some meals like the barbecue glazed turkey meatloaves or the sweet potato and broccoli donburi take up to 45 minutes. But then there's the protein pack that takes 10 minutes on the grill, so EveryPlate has 2 customer service options, phone or live chat. What's really great about this service is that the team is available to live chat 24/7. No other meal kit delivery service offers that. EveryPlate also has an FAQ section with some answers to your big questions. Certainly its biggest selling point, EveryPlate offers meals at just $2.49 per serving. That's less than you pay for a cup of coffee. Some meals cost a whopping $4.99 a pop. People, this is homemade meals for chump change. Shipping is $8.99 for the week. EveryPlate is the go-to meal kit delivery service if you're looking for cheap, delicious, homemade food. At less than $5 a plate, you just can't go wrong. No fancy menus or organic ingredients here. Just flavorful meals, hearty portions, and tasty comfort foods that your taste buds will love. I hope this video helped you decide whether EveryPlate is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.